the airport. Now we're gonna wait for half an hour for my mom's flight to land, and hopefully I can catch a video of that one. Alright. This is the first time I'm making a video between many groups of people. They're all coming from all over. I don't know from where those people sounded like Americans. But yeah, that's the arrivals. Okay, my mom's, I assume her flight just landed. I'm outside taking a smoke break, and my wife actually saw the tail, those shade thingies, and she got real excited that there it is. So we're gonna, it's like 15, from where it lands, it's like almost 15 minutes, then they only get off the planes, and then she needs to get her luggage. That's another 10 minutes, so another 25 minutes. Then we'll surprise her with a video, a selfie video. Hello, Mom. Now we're just waiting for the old lady to come up through those doors. I wanted to make a board like this lady is holding, hold it up so my mom can see me. Now imagine all the stories we're gonna hear. First time flying, and my mom is in her 60s. So fun. We're just waiting now. I wonder if she put on some makeup. I mean, it's a special occasion, your first flight ever. And now it's a windy day. Just imagine the turbulence coming down. It's gonna come through the doors any moment now. Unless she doesn't know where to go to get her luggage. Waarom nog een patiënt? Yes, the pilot. Houston, we've got a problem. My mom lost her bags. It's gonna be funny. Hallo.
Hallo. Iemand heeft mijn tas gevraagd.
Okay, well, this sucks. She lost her bag, or maybe that could be it. Just hold on, let me question that guy quickly. Nope, no luck. I guess she has to take that bag now and maybe wear man's clothes for the week she's gonna be here. And there's no one coming back that realized they actually got the wrong bag. Yeah, for first time experience, this is not gonna be a good one, is it? This is actually gonna suck, shame. This is bad. I wonder, maybe that bag that's there is hers and she actually locked it and she's got some jet lag. Let me go check on it. Now, the gentleman's bag is inside the office and it's only got like a jacket inside. I'm just paying, you know. See this thing. Now I need change, and I need my ticket back. Where's my ticket? Where's the ticket? More change and my ticket. So, and receipt. Yeah, they opened this bag. There's no tag on the bag. My mom's bag had a tag on. Like the guy I questioned, his bag had a tag on. And where am I? Oh shit. And now? What's going on? Everything is dark. I'm flying, my mom. She got it bad. Shame, poor lady. Anyways, let's drive home. Cheers.